Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to color code in Microsoft Planner. Color coding is a fantastic way to organize your tasks visually, making it easier to prioritize work and distinguish between different types of activities at a glance. Let's jump right in and get your planner looking organized and efficient. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Planner. Start by opening a browser window on your computer. In the address bar, type in planner.cloud.microsoft and hit enter. This will take you directly to the Microsoft Planner login page. If you haven't already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials here. Make sure you're using the account associated with your organization or the one where your plans are stored. This step is essential as it gives you access to all your existing plans and tasks. Once you've successfully signed in, give it a moment for your planner to load completely. You'll see your dashboard appear with various options and plans available to you. Now, to start color coding in Microsoft Planner, you first need to select the specific plan you want to work with. Look at the left navigation menu where you'll find an option labeled My Plans. Click on it and a list of all your available plans will appear. Browse through and select the one you wish to organize with color codes. This ensures you're working on the right project and won't accidentally modify tasks from another plan. After clicking on your chosen plan, you'll be taken to the plan overview page. This is where all your tasks, buckets, and columns are displayed in an organized layout. Now comes the fun part, actually adding color to your planner. Look toward the top part of your planner interface where all your column headers are located. You'll notice a section called Labels. This is the key to color coding your tasks effectively. Click on Add Labels, and you'll see a color label menu appear with several color options to choose from. Simply select the color you wish to use for each task. You can assign different colors based on priority, task type, team member, or any other categorization system that works for your workflow. This visual distinction helps you and your team quickly identify and prioritize tasks without having to read through every detail. And there you have it. You've successfully color-coded your Microsoft Planner, transforming it into a more visually organized and efficient workspace. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.